Good morning, day 2. What are we starting the day with?
Milo.
A Milo.
Milo chocolate Nutella. No, they didn't have Nutella,
So it's Milo, yeah. Looks good. And we're also getting, well, you also got, so.
I'm getting manto with Pandan custard.
Period.
And you know what else we got?
Because we're both like asthmatic bitches at night.
Thailand knows how to do a sweet drink.
Right? Is it very sweet?
Yeah.
Can I try? That's very satisfying.
Yeah. It's what I wanted.
Period.
That is the manto.
Wait, is it being real close?
Alright.
I need to talk to her.
He's going to get the pandan custard. Wow. Which I wanted for brekkie. Because I need a sweet brekkie. Oh yeah.
It's also steaming.
Piping hot, baby.
Okay, let's open this.
Pandan custard. Oh, that's a lot of bao.
Yeah, it's too.
Oh my god. Yeah. And then,
And then, what you do is.
oh my god, that bao. Oh, that manto looks so suave. Okay. Alright, I want to taste. I've been waiting for this for like a year.
Double dipping. Period. Alright. Your review? Give us a 1 through 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. For this manto with custard.
Actually, I changed that.
Okay, what?
12 out of 10.
12. Okay, 12. Period. It's better than 10. Hello, we are at Chatuchak Weekend Market. Shopping. And we already bought all kinds of stuff. Because, what did we buy? Alright, a lot of stuff. Yeah.
And we should go through one of the corridors to show.
Okay, sure.
We just bought some shorts right here. I was like, this is crazy. There's literally everything. Shoes. Shoes. Like you said, gym attire. I got some stuff there. There's a whale.
Ooh, actually into these pink shoes. God, they're size 8. I hate being like Bigfoot.
That's probably for women.
Yeah, I know, but so we're heading to a design shop. Like they make their own design of t-shirts. So at least I'm wearing shirts. Are you into it? Yeah. Look at that bag. Oh my god. Sequins. And all these. I honestly probably could buy more here as well. Yeah. Yep. Today's just literally the second day of us being here. Alright, so let's walk. Oh man. Yeah, go get it. This is his favorite. Are we having a good day so far?
Yeah.
Yes.
I look at myself in the screen all the time.
Always, yeah. Because you can't help but be vain. So you got your little snacky, very much so. Okay, you're gonna try it. Loves it. Can I try one? Okay.
It's chewy, crispy, Pandan.
That's amazing.
I had it last time.
Look at the tote bag. Look at the little dinosaur. That's cute.
Not the strawberry.
Do you live?
Yeah, what if I buy the whole, the 2-piece?
Love. It's giving. Don't touch. Don't. Oh. Zip glasses. Yeah, go. Right. I do this.
So, after spending almost $5,000 at a single t-shirt shop, I decided to bring Mick in the right direction because he was going in the wrong direction to buy chicken cutlets with lab seasoning. Yeah, we have to look for it, but it's somewhere here.
Well, I want to have the Isan sausages.
ไม่เยอะเกินเนี่ยเดินแต่เดียวก็ไม่ไหวขอบคุณนะผมขอบคุณค่ะ
Alright.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna eat it now. So yeah. Okay. What?
Alright, eat it. Oh. Yum.
You can turn the flip the thing out.
It's okay. Happy, happy, happy. The moves are coming out.
Oh honey. Oh honey. It becomes slushy. Hyper cool. Okay. We got ourselves a little Coke. And yeah, we're gonna go find food to eat somewhere else. Okay, after lunchy, we are now on our way to take the train to Chiang Mai. Very excited for the train because we love the train. I love taking the overnight train.
the train. I love the train.
National anthem.
You can see long period. What are we manifesting for 2024 for the year of the dragon?
Happy stay in Chiang Mai.
Okay.
Lots of free shopping at Jingjai Market.
Yes.
Lots of great food at the Sunday night market. Playing with little elephants.
Yes.
Well, not playing, but you know, observing them.
Observing. Can we touch them?
I don't think so.
No.
I don't know.
I hope one scoops me up. Like
Throws you out off the cliff.
like out of the cliff into the water. It's like this little bitch. Anyway, we're still waiting for the train.
Boarding in 5 minutes.
Boarding in 5 minutes. We're excited to take the train.
look at this ride.
Okay, so 31, 31 and 32. 31 and 32. Here's our seat. And then this will come down at night. Period. Alright. Are we excited? Yeah. We got it again. Well, you got it again.
I got it. And I also got 17.
Kanom grotto. The Pandan custard again. With mango. And of course, we gotta get ready for the train, honey. It's 12 hours.
But I think I'm gonna have that for brekkie.
Yeah. So here we have the train attendant to, like, he's coming over to ask us if we want food. And I think I'm gonna order some train food because I wanna try train food. Period. Girl, you're really putting it away.
I love this.
Period. Nom nom. What was it? Oh, gang kill one. We're going. Pick it up then.